Hi everyone, this is Romulo from BPHE. Today I would like to present you the Idea Portal, a feature in ServiceNow system that allows you to submit improvement ideas for O&E activities, business processes, and technologies. This is closely related to all O&E values, but especially to innovation, best practice, and quality management. The promotion of the Idea Portal is just one of the Global PMO's many efforts to democratize and speed up companies' improvement. Now let's see how the Idea Portal really works. At the ServiceNow main screen, you can either search for the Idea Portal through the All menu section or open it directly through the link. We recommend you to bookmark once you open it for the first time. At the Idea Portal main screen, you can either explore existing ideas or create your own idea by clicking on Create an Idea button. Let's begin with the title. The suggestion is using the impacted activity followed by the proposed solution. For example, you can go with Container Flow Tracker. As you can see, region and division fields are automatically populated. The department field, however, will need to be completed based on who is creating the idea. Then we get to impacted divisions and departments, and we can even select multiple ones, if it's applicable. As for investment type and category, in case of doubts, please reach out to your manager for further analysis. At the idea description, expand a little bit about the title you have chosen. For example, Container Flow Tracker could be an application to monitor and display equipment location in real time. After clicking on the elevator pitch, all we have to do is replacing the words in brackets with real information. Example: for Container Flow team and our external customers who need accurate data about container location, the Container Flow Tracker is a solution that provides real-time information. And unlike existing processes, my idea will connect all impacted departments on a global level. Moving on to the question step, let's provide some other key details before submitting the idea. The first one is asking if your manager has approved it. If yes, let's write his or her name in there. The second question is about the return on investment. How many hours could we save with this idea? Or how much can we improve our customer satisfaction rate? The following question is about the risk of not executing this idea. Below this one, you will find guidelines on how to indicate it. The question number 4 can be replied with your suggested project approach. In your opinion, should this idea be executed through iterations or well-designed steps? Final question is asking who will be the contact person for the request. It's usually the person who is submitting the idea, but it can be different as long as internally discussed. At the Notes tab, we can provide any other information, such as mentioning that the idea is coming from a big customer or already being executed in other companies. If during the idea completion you have to stop and finish later, click on Save as Draft button. But if it's all good to go, click on the Submit button. Your submitted idea will be displayed at the home screen. It can always be found by using the search field or specific filters. It will then be analyzed by a demand manager, who has until 2 working weeks to accept or defer the idea, based on strategy alignment or resource allocation. Still at the home screen, you can follow what stage your idea is: submitted, demand approved, project in progress, and so on. Eventually, and especially if you are the contact person, the demand manager can approach you for even further contribution on the project management. We are going to talk a lot about the Idea Portal in the coming weeks, and doubts are expected. But for now, to sum up, it's designed to be the official channel for innovation and O&E. It's already open for anyone to submit ideas that can make our work and our life better. So join us by improving one as one. See you!